what it is, guys. We got this freaking black Mercedes in front strip, and you're in no. We gotta take care of this madness. Jesus, God, please help. But we're gonna get this car looking right. Strip, windows, full paint correction, ceramic coating. This thing about to look glossy black when we done with it. Really, really terrible. Like washing this with a brick. Sheesh. But we're gonna get customer looking right. It's a nice Mercedes. We're gonna get the front windows looking good with the back. And then we're gonna get it all looking sexy and shit. You already know what we do it here at Dynasty. So let's get this car looking good. Merry Christmas to everyone. If you guys want any detail, tints, ceramic coat, you already know who to call. Ghostbusters. Nah, I'm kidding. You call Dynasty. You call Dynasty to get your car shiny. Aight? Don't call no one else. You call us because we do it right and we get you guys looking right. And we like seeing the happy faces on our customers' faces. So let's get it. Let's get this car looking good for the customer. Get it all squeaky clean because like, oof, that's bad. That's real bad. Yep, so obviously we're gonna start with the fence. Strip on windows, pre-cut it, shrink it, put on, clean the windows, install the tint. Yeah, that's it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna wash the whole car, play bar, get the wheels clean, barrels clean, wheel wells clean, and I'm gonna get it started with, after all that, get started with polishing and everything, and then get it looking good like it should be. And coat it, and then the customer's not picking up till Monday, so it has plenty of time to cure. So let's get started, do the tints, wash, clay bar, polish, all that good stuff. Let's get this car looking. Got the tint all done. Got the strip and the two fronts. Now this car looks complete with full tints around. No more fishbowl in the front two windows. So now I'm gonna wash it, clay it, and then start polishing this. Get it look all shiny and shit. But yes, sir. She's all washed up, dried up. Now we can start correcting the paint. As you can see, there's swirlage all over this car. Don't have to put a paint line on it yet. You can see it with the regular light. But Let's get this car looking how it should. And this is the after that I just did with the polish. Before, after, after, before. Yeah, this is gonna be a good turnaround. This paint is destroyed, but look at that. Yeah, that's how it should look. But, all right, let me get the rest of the car done and show you the after results after it's all done. So all I'm doing here is putting on the coating and just doing the 3 towel method, wiping it off, and that's all that's really done in this video.